In this video, I'll walk you through a unique method to create and sell books using AI. Follow these steps carefully and you'll see how powerful this method can be. Start by opening your browser and searching for Groq Cloud. Click on the first result you see and it will take you to the Groq Cloud homepage. On the login page, select Continue with Google and sign in using your Google account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left-hand side menu and find API key. Click on it. Here, you'll see an option to create API key. Click on it, give your API key a unique name, and submit it. Once the key is generated, make sure to copy it, as you'll need it for the next steps. Now, let's use this API key to create your first book using AI. Open a new browser tab and type Infinite Streamlit in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. On this platform, you'll see a field to paste the API key you generated earlier. Paste it here. Next, you'll be asked to enter the niche or topic of your book. This can be anything, from self-help to science fiction or even educational topics. The AI will tailor the book based on the topic you choose. Additionally, there's a field to add extra instructions. This is where you can provide more details, like the tone of the book, specific points to include, or a particular style you want. Now comes the exciting part. Click on Generate, and the AI will begin creating your book automatically. You'll see it generating content point by point, organizing chapters and sections. The process is seamless, and it keeps generating content until you decide to stop it. Once you're satisfied with the content, you can export the book as a PDF or text file. Go to the top of the page, click End Generation, and then download your book by hitting the download button. Now that your book is ready, here's what you can do next. Review and edit the content to make it even better. Add a personalized touch if needed. After polishing your book, list it on platforms like Google eBooks, Amazon Kindle, or other self-publishing platforms. Thanks for watching,